party for the student of Meghalaya.
Ringkat berkepertai Solansar, la Rakhe ke World AIDS Day Shillong mentakasngi. Habakran hakani kasngi Principal Secretary Katanak ke Kot Kia Usampat Kumar Ulaong, baka sorkar kalaya lekat balak ban ajeng hikai halor ke HIV AIDS dak banjur badon kami ke jeng lang hapden ke sorkar bat ke imlang salang ban pendu ajat ya ke jeng tieng ke bedai bat kani ke jeng pang.
Availability, quality and treatment. Number two,
the idea is that how actually the government can provide that sensitive support to the people living with HIV. So for that, systems have been set up. Those systems actually, in fact, because of those systems, like today, we have heard, a boy like Mr. Sangma could able to see that like there is a hope, and he could able to say that like the virus has been suppressed. It's a great, so the great story of medicine and great story of public health, great story of, a committed government. That's something that is a very, very important thing.
Ka border security